Although I'm cleaning up the top of a data set, it's probably going to get transplanted onto this very yellow data set. There does seem to be some sort of sticker residue or something. Verify error. We have another verify error. Well, I wonder if I somehow change something in memory. I wonder. Oh well. Alright, so this is coming along. It would be better, though, if I really had this drenchified, because you probably can't see it even. But up here and along the side, there's some little stuff that isn't just so. Alright, let's try something exciting. I know, you've had so much excitement watching this tape drive do its thing. Alright, I'm going to rewind to somewhere past 50. Well, no, sorry, it'd be 950. Okay. And then I'm going to press the Shift key and the cursor up key, and I'm going to verify World of Commodore C, 1. And it's going to tell me to press play! Tape 1, and there's the tape drive. Working away with its little wonkiness to it. Wonky, 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 wonky. And we'll see if it verifies in the same tape drive that it came out of. It may be, of course, that I've done something to change the memory, which is why it's saying, no, I don't like that. Don't do that. I don't know. I just don't know. Let's see, is the phone charging? Yes, it is charging. Ooh. And we got a YouTube comment. What could we have gotten? Oh, gotta change the Wi-Fi thing up here. By the way, don't worry, this says verify error there. It's still doing it. Has it found it? Well, maybe. I think it has. I think it has found it. Although if I had done it better, I would have moved it. I would have just done it again, typed it again, cleared things off. Let's go see what our... Oh, yeah. Oh. Someone is asking. How much I'm asking for this pet. And I wrote back, I am entertaining offers. I am. Yes. Let's have a look on here. Alright, we're still checking it out. How are we doing? Okay, we should be getting back to 0. So we should be having something happen soon. We should be almost there. Verify here. Well, isn't that squirrely? Alright. Let's back this sucker up. Maybe I should have done it right away. I'm going to go a little bit past 950. I'm going to type in new, which means when I type in list, It's all gone. And then I'm going to type. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this out of here because I wrote it here. I'm going to type in. I was just going to type in load because that would load. I'm going to type in load. Walk 8K C quote comma 2. So we'll see if it will load from this other data set that we didn't save it on. We'll see. We will see. None of this is fast. Let me tell you. Let's grab the TRANSACTOR for a moment. We already looked at some stuff in here. Ooh, you know what? This is something I should pass on to Rudy, because he was wondering about... See, inside the SuperPet, there's an RS-232 port on the SuperPet board. And he was asking me things. Attention SuperPet RS-232 interfacers. Here is the pin connections for the RS-232 port of the SuperPet. Pin 1, protective ground. Pin 2, transmitted data. 3, receive data. 4, request to send. 5, clear to send. 6, data set ready. 7, signal ground. 8, data carrier detect. 20, data terminal ready. So there are 25 pins, but they're not all used. They are not. Oh, here's CB2 amplifier. This tiny little circuit. Oh, I found a typo. CAM from Ted Evers of Toronto. Connected to the user port line, ground, and one of the 12-volt pins inside the machine, and you've got CB2 sound with optional headphone jack to prevent raging parents, teachers, and wives. And there is, in fact... Oh, don't rip that. Don't rip this. There's the circuit. I wonder, does it have a little speaker? It does have a little speaker. Indeedy. Lovely. Oh, there's a cartoon here. Are we loading? We're loading. The increase in computer crime is frightening. And look. Oh, it's a computer with holding guns on a couple of people. It's like AI. Way ahead of its time. We're still loading. Pretty printing. Neatness counts. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, now I'm going to rewind. I'm not going to do anything. Rewind a little farther. Verify. Quote. Walk. 8K C. Quote. Comma. 2. Play. And why did I put in comma 2? Because I'm using the second tape drive connected to the back of this 2001. Indeedy. So, Jim Butterfield. Neatness. We'll have to read this at some point. Compiler comments. Jim Butterfield, Toronto. Imagine, Jim Butterfield. Yes, we'll have to read this stuff. Basic labels revisited. Revisited. Charles A. McCarthy, St. Paul, Minnesota. Interesting. Yes, we'll have to read these things. So we are searching basic label support interface demo. Interesting. Well, it has now found the program, so we'll see if it loads it or verifies it. Thanks for coming.